another question for me. What is the equation of the tangent line to the function at a given point? We will begin by finding the derivative. That'll help us to find the slope. Once we have the slope, we'll also have a value of x, a value of y. We can write the equation of that line. Now there is, of course, more than one way to get the derivative, but we'll go ahead and use the product rule. Let's make this moment last. So this is our factor A, our factor B. Remember that the product rule calls for us to leave the first factor as it is, differentiate the second factor, add to that a product of the second factor times the derivative of the first factor. Well, we've identified that A is going to be triple x minus 5, that B is going to be x squared plus 7. Now the derivative of A is just 3. The derivative of 3x is 3, and the derivative of negative 5 is 0. The derivative of B is going to be double x. The derivative of 7 is 0. Let's put all of this together. The derivative of the function is going to be the factor A, leave it as it is, times the derivative of B. Add to that the factor B as it is, times the derivative of A. We can clean this up. We'll go ahead and distribute. 2x times 3x, 2x times negative 5. Keep on chewing. The dog keeps on chewing. 3 times x squared, 7 times 3. Okay, we do have a couple of like terms. That's 9x squared, take away 10x, plus 21. This is the derivative of the function, and we're looking for the derivative at a specific point. At the point negative 2, negative 121. Let's go ahead and evaluate this derivative at negative 2. That is 9 times the square of negative 2 minus 10 times negative 2. Add 21. That's 9 times 4. And sum, which is 36, 20, and 21. In the end, 77. That'll be our slope. So we do have the slope. We do have a coordinate for x and another coordinate for y. We'll put these together. Let's use one of our formulas. We could use this one, or we can use y equals mx plus b. So that is y take away a negative 121 equal to 77 times x take away negative 2. That double negative turns positive. We have a 77 to distribute. That is 77 times x and 154. We'll move 121 to the other side of the subtraction. When we do, we've got it, the equation of the tangent line at that point. Y equals 77x plus 33. We're done.